Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Round 3, match 1 underway in autonomous as they score 3 points for each bot that leaves the starting position. It's now 16-6. We got 5 points. What you see happening right now, programmed by the human players, and hopefully the robots are responding to the programming. 16-6 coming out of autonomous for the Red Alliance as the human players now have control of the bots, the ROVs under the bottom of the sea. 4188, the Columbus space program, they have a piece of algae in their possession, raising it up over the waves into the barge for 4 points in the net on top of the barge. It's 21-14 with 1:56 to go as 1648, the G3 robotics team has coral in their possession, placing it low. Now they're going high, setting it on top. 5 points for their alliance there as it's 38-14 in favor of the Red Alliance. It's Alliance 2 versus Alliance 7 as Alliance 7 wants to upset Alliance 2. 36-35, spinning around with the current. Got caught in a whirlpool there as 4188 pulls some algae off of the reef. 63-40, the Maris Manatee scoring high as it's 50-18 right now. 36-35, trying to get out of that whirlpool, still having a little bit of problem as 4188, the Columbus space program, puts another piece of algae in the net on top of the barge. It's 60-22 with 1:15 to go. 63-40, the Maris Manatees raising it high across as their alliance partner on the other side. 1648 does the same thing. That was a 10-point swing in just a matter of seconds as it's 70-26 with 1:03 left to go in the match. There goes the Columbus space program putting another one in. They've got 4 of them up there in the net on the barge as 36-35 comes racing through the cages deep in the ocean to try to stop the Red Alliance from gathering that coral and placing it on the reef. It's 78-36 right now as 63-40, the Maris Manatees score one more time. A piece of algae was in the red net and it bounced out. The waves are rocking and rolling from all the action on the bottom of the sea, causing the algae to flip out of the net. Now as 4188 goes to collect another one. They've got it in their possession, but drop it. It's slippery as another piece of algae bounces out of the red net on top of the barge. We're under 20 seconds left to go. It's 102-48 right now in favor of the Red Alliance. It's 36-35, collides with the cages at the bottom of the sea. They're parked underneath the barge in the barge zone of 1648 as well. They'll try to lift themselves off the bottom of the sea with their arm. They've got it up and off of the bottom of the sea, ascending towards the surface. 1648 could have gained 12 more points for their alliance right there, as it looks like they're going to credit them with that actual climb off of the bottom of the ocean. We'll wait until we see what the fish are, what color they are, swimming on the reef, to let you know who was victorious in that match and who moves on in the upper bracket and who moves down to the lower bracket. All right, round 1, match 3. Results are in. Let's take a look. Red Alliance moving on to match number 8 with a score of 120-60 over the Blue Alliance. The Red Alliance will move over to match number 8 to face off against the winner of match number 4. And the losing alliance, Alliance 7, moves down to face off against the loser of match number 4 in match number 6.